This is a wooden Munipals New York City subway line D R68 model. The D 6th Avenue Express is a rapid transit service in the B division of the New York City subway. Its route emblem, or bullet, is colored orange, since it uses the I&D 6th Avenue line in Manhattan. The D operates at all times between 205th Street in Norwood, Bronx, and Stillwell Avenue in Coney Island, Brooklyn via Grand Concourse in the Bronx, Central Park West and 6th Avenue in Manhattan, the north side of the Manhattan Bridge, and 4th Avenue and West End in Brooklyn. During daytime hours, the D runs express between 145th Street in Manhattan and 36th Street, 4th Avenue in Brooklyn, and local elsewhere. During rush hours in the peak direction, the D also runs express between Fordham Road in the Bronx and 145th Street in Manhattan. Overnight D service is only express in Manhattan and local elsewhere. In its early years, the D ran to World Trade Center in Lower Manhattan via the lower I&D 8th Avenue line. From 1954 to 1967, the D ran via the I&D Culver line to Coney Island. With the completion of the Christie Street connection, service was rerouted via the BMT Brighton line, running there from 1967 to 2001. A short-lived yellow D service ran via the BMT Broadway line in Manhattan to the Brighton line in Brooklyn, while orange D service used the 6th Avenue, Central Park West, and Concourse lines in Manhattan and the Bronx. The R68 is a B Division New York City subway car order consisting of 425 cars built by the Westinghouse Amrail Company, aka Francorail, a joint venture of Westinghouse, ANF Industry, Jumont Schneider, and Alstom. The cars were built in France from 1986 to 1988 and shipped through New York Harbor. Of the cars in the fleet, 416 are arranged in 4-car sets while the other 9 are single cars. The R68 was the third R-type contract to be built with 75-foot, 22.86 m cars, the previous 2 being the R44 and R46. The first R68 train entered service on June 20, 1986. The R68's manufacturers suffered from significant system integration problems, and the fleet became known as a lemon in its early years, but its performance was improved following modifications by the New York City Transit Authority. The R68s are scheduled to remain in service until at least 2025 to 2030. In the 2010s, a small number of R68s received experimental upgrades. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page. See you next time.